Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Vivo V19 versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And S9 Plus comes with the Samsung Exynos 9810 chipset with 6GB of RAM, while the Vivo V19 is powered by Snapdragon 712 chipset with 8GB of RAM. On the back we have a quad cameras on the back on the Vivo V19 versus the dual cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and also we have a 2x optical zoom which you don't see on the Vivo V19. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Logo came up first on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, followed by the Vivo V19. And both phones is running on Android 10. I don't receive the One UI 2.1 update on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus right now. I hope it come very soon. And in case the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Vivo V90 now it is also done about 2 or 3 second difference there between these two devices. And you can see both phones give you a Super AMOLED display, but we have a old display on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, but it is way better than the Vivo V19, while the Vivo V19 comes with a futuristic display because we don't have any big bezels on the Vivo V19. We have a dual cameras inside the punch hole. So now let's see the app's opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones, and that is a little bit faster on the Vivo V19, followed by the S9 Plus. The settings about the same on both phones. Now let's see mic lock, little bit faster on the S9 Plus. Calendar, little bit faster on the S9 Plus again. Amazon shopping on both phones, same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see Vivo V19 it is just a tiny bit faster there. Let's see the scrolling. You can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Instagram about the same on both phones. Spotify little bit faster on the S9 Plus. Now let's check out some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. And let's see who is faster there. Exynos 9810 versus the Snapdragon 712, and you can see Vivo V19 it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Vivo V19, the Subway Surfer, and that is again a little bit faster on the Vivo V19. As you can see, the Temple Run 2, that is faster on the Vivo V19 as you can see, while the S9 Plus is also right behind there. Every application is faster on the Vivo V19, especially the system based application majority wise faster on the Vivo V19. Now let's see the Snapchat, faster on the S9 Plus. The Zedge application on both phones, and faster on the Vivo V19, little bit faster there. The Twitter about the same on both phones. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go, and you can see about the same on both phones, no difference there. Now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on the S9 Plus versus the Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V19. We have wikipedia.org on both phones, and you can see faster on the Vivo V19, followed by the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones. We have old flagship phone from Samsung versus a new high-end mid-range phone from Vivo. Next on the list is the Samsung.com, and that is faster on the Vivo V19 I have to say, and you can see it is, but at the end Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is faster there, followed by the Vivo V19. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Now let's check out the RAM management on both phones. We have 8 versus a 6GB of RAM on the S9 Plus. We have phone dialer, no refresh. Settings, mic lock, let's see the calendar, no refresh. Amazon shopping, Instagram, Spotify, no refresh. S9 Plus is performed really good after 2 years. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga. Now let's see the Subway Surfer. That is again not refresh on both phones. Let's see the Temple Run 2. Let's see Snapchat, Zedge. Now let's check out the Twitter. No refresh. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see overall I have to say that the app's opening speed it is definitely little bit faster on the Vivo V90 in system-based application as well as in game app loading time. In system-based application as well as in game app loading time, RAM management is absolutely incredible on both phones. That's about it, and thanks so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Vivo V90 versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.